Brad Williams, Excel Primed. How about round down, a review? You remember digits. I reversed it here. Here, one digit is going to do what? Without going over here to the right, what are we going to do? We're going to adjust this to 1. All right, we're going to remove everything to the right after the first decimal. Second, we're going to remove everything to the right of the second decimal. Third, we're going to remove everything to the right of the third decimal. Fourth, we're going to remove everything after the fourth decimal. We have 060, well, 060, and then everything after that is 0. 0, we're going to round it to the integer. -1, we're not even going to think about decimals. We're looking strictly at 97. We're going to get rid of everything to the right of the decimal. 1935, we're going to round down. I didn't mention on number 1. We're going to round down also. Get rid of everything to the right and round down. 1935, notice we're going down 1900. We're getting rid of everything to the right of the decimal and we're rounding down to 2 decimals. 1699, we're getting rid of everything, excluding, and this is where you need to be careful. Notice how drastic this is. -3 is going to get rid of everything other than the thousandths, and then even worse. Look at number 4, -4. You get that aggressive, you can have, this could be 9999999, and it's going to round down to what? Well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to round down to 0. Be careful with the round down. It could be punishing, all right? I mean, I guess that's a good word, is just be extremely careful. It can take that 9999 and round it down to 0. And let's say you have 10,000 rows here and you just threw in this -4. Be careful. If you need to review, we've gone over this, but you can review this information over to the right. Brad Williams, Excel Primed.